The cotton jump rope for kids is the perfect blend of fun and fitness, making it an essential outdoor activity for children. With its classic wooden handles, this adjustable rope caters to kids over 3, allowing them to develop motor skills while enjoying healthy exercise. The non-toxic, smooth surface ensures a comfortable grip, while the lightweight design makes skipping a breeze. Ideal for parties or playdates, this pack of 2 jump ropes guarantees hours of active enjoyment for young ones. Cotton jump rope for kids. Wooden handle. Adjustable cotton. Braided fitness skipping rope. Outdoor fun activity. Great party favor. Exercise activity. Pack of 2. Great jump rope for kids. This classic wooden handle jump rope is suitable for children, indoor and outdoor activities, home exercise, gym, health improvement, cardio, fitness training, etc. Skipping rope is a toy and fitness equipment for kids at the same time to help them develop large motor skills and stay fit. Easily adjustable. Rope length, 8.2 feet, perfect for children over 3 years old. It can be adjusted to the desired length. At the end of the rope, there is a knot inside the handle. Slide the rope through the handle and tighten the new knot to shorten the rope to the desired length. Finally, cut off the extra rope length. High quality and safety. Wooden handles without paint, non-toxic and odorless, are comfortable for all hand sizes. The 3.9 inches handles with smooth surface are easy for kids to hold. A lightweight cotton braided rope moves nicely and leaves no strong whip marks. Visit workoutways.com to explore more, and to see this product, just check the link in the description.